In this video, I'm going to show you how can you add maps to your Mozello website or online store. First step is to find a place where you want your map to be seen. For example, Contact Us page. Then click on the text field and in the toolbar, select the plus icon and you will see a text Insert Map. A window will open where you will have a field where you have to enter the address. Once the address has been found, simply click on the button Insert Map and you will see that the map has been added to your website. One option is to click on the map and resize it. Simply drag by the corner to select its size.